Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors and restorers. Something in the early solid state era that used to happen was multiple boards inside of a unit. As you can see, there's the pre-power amp board, the preamp board, the phono sections over there. Then there's this board right here that's upside down. What it actually is the two rectifier diodes and some filtering for the power supply, and then a separate circuit that's basically a transistor, a stage of amplification for between the tone controls and some of the switches, like the loudness control, the mono stereo switch. And what happens is, when you turn it on, this board buffers the preamp. So it gives you a little bit of a delayed startup. And it's the kind of thing you might miss in a restoration. And it had C1312 transistors, and they had black leads. And interesting enough that two of the filter caps had been replaced, and the rest were the original illness. So something had happened on there in the power section that they were replaced. I can just show you which ones. The two larger caps, the 220 and the 100, had been replaced. So it's basically lower voltages for different parts of the preamp circuit. Anyway, I'm going to put that back in, and there's a little tab here you have to solder back on. It's these things I notice on all different brands, late 60s, early 70s, that there's boards here and boards there inside them. And sometimes you can miss them, or just like, I can't believe, what's this board for? Anyway, thanks for watching and listening.